Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Technical Rudra. So today we will learn how to install Granny Chapter 2. So to install Granny Chapter 2, you need to download the file from the link in the description. It will take you to this type of page and you can just click on download. And your download will be started. And now I will meet when the download will be completed.
One eternity later.
So guys, as you can see, our file has been downloaded successfully. We need to extract this by clicking on extract to Granny Chapter 2. So it will extract it. So it is taking some time. It's extracting. 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 And it has been successfully extracted. Now we will just open this file. Open this and open this. So we have got Granny Chapter 2 here. So we need to click here and run the game. And it's the full working game. I can guarantee I'll play a match with you. And if you don't want to watch the match, you can just skip to my outro at this time which is showing in the screen. So guys, we are in the game. Now I'll click on play. Music very soundy. Guys, yeah. So I will just increase the volume. No, I should decrease it. Is I will just keep low because my PC is not that much pretty good. I will click on easy. No, I should click on practice. I am made for practice, but we will click on easy. And now you have to click on this. That will be complete. We will skip this. As you can see, it's the real one. That's why it is showing this animation. We will just skip it. I click on escape. Okay, what? I'm getting wake up. Seriously guys, I thought I should make a crack of this because I thought to play this game. That's why. Okay, so here we need a crowbar. What's crowbar? Comment down below. I think so. There will be no. Grandpa! Wait. We will see here what is there. Nothing. Yes, I feel. He's sleeping. Granny, 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 granny. So short is this. Okay. Nothing is here. Nothing is here. Nothing is. Oh, wrench. So I think Granny नहीं होना please यहाँ पे. और यहाँ पे. Ow, ow, ow. फंस गए. Grandpa has beaten me. Oh no. I will just exit the game because I am very bad at this game. I don't want to show you my bad skills here. So I will just exit this game. I don't want to play this more. So I will just close this. I don't want to play this game. And I will just quit this. So guys, we have successfully installed Granny in our PC. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.